Hi you guys, welcome back to the Efficiency and Organization YouTube channel. Now in this video, we are going to do a series. This is gonna be one of 20 videos I'm gonna do, where in each one, I'm going to share 5 strategies for how you could be more organized and how you could be decluttered, so that way you could be ultimately more productive and achieve more goals in life. So this is gonna be perfect for people in any walk of life. So whether you're a student, whether you want some help with your organizing your personal finances, stuff to do with your career, making a change in your career, in leadership positions, at home. So I'll give you some strategies in each video that applies to you in whatever walk of life you are in. Before I give you the 5 for this video, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be let know by YouTube when a new video comes out, which is once or twice a week. Okay, so the first one in the series, what's our first one gonna be? Workspaces. Okay, so everybody has some personal affects when they work, right? It could be plants, it could be photos, it could be little knickknacks. It's okay to have those because you want your space to be you. But there is such a thing as too much, okay? So when there's too much, like you want to make it comfortable, a place that you want to be in. But at the same time, if it's too much, then it's starting to like get you to lose focus and concentration. And that is not good for your productivity, for the goals you were trying to achieve in life. So get rid of a whole bunch of those. Leave just a few things just to make it comfortable, but not overbearing. Number 2, speaking of workspaces, no matter what kind of a workspace you have, you know what time you're gonna go or what time you'd like to leave to go home or finish working. 30 minutes before, start cleaning up. You want to pretend, train your brain to think that somebody else is gonna use that space tomorrow. No paper clutters, no tools, no anything like that laying around. It should be nice, a lot of area for you to use, neat, nothing around that's gonna be distracting, okay? So 30 minutes before. Let's switch and go to holidays because I'm gonna be all over the place when I give you these strategies, okay? So holidays, when you are getting holiday decorations, think about how many bins, storage bins, you want to have in total, and don't buy any more that you're not going to be able to fit in those 4, because then you're creating clutter. I know there are a lot of cute things on Amazon. I know there are cute things at Michael's. I know I get tempted too, but I'm going with 4 bins. So if my 4 bins are full, I'm done. I can't get any more unless I'm replacing. Now let's go talk about closets. To make sure that you're not overwhelmed by too much stuff that you don't even wear. The best thing to do is if you're gonna get rid of an article of clothing, then give yourself the right to buy another one, okay? So let's say you have 100 tops, whether they're shirts or blouses, whatever. You have 100 tops. Don't buy the 101st, 102nd. Only replace if you're gonna get rid of something that doesn't fit you or that has like a big rip or it's too old, whatever it might be. Great organizing strategy. And the last one for this video. You're gonna see after a while, like if you love cooking and stuff, you're gonna have 90 million different kinds of spices. Unless it's a spice that you're gonna use frequently, my suggestion is not to buy it. I bought cardamom once because I saw a Gordon Ramsay video and I was like, ooh, I like that. I'm gonna make that. I never used it again. It was just that one time. And guess what? I didn't even like that spice. I mean, if you like it, great, but I didn't even like it. Buy only the things that you use frequently to not have clutters. All right, I wanna tell you something before I leave the video. When you watch my videos, you're gonna see when I'm thinking, I go like this. I get a little frowny. I said this 2 years ago in one of my earlier videos. It's okay, I'm not mad, I'm just thinking. When I think, I get a frown, okay? So I know you're gonna watch all the other videos coming up because I'm gonna do, this is the first of a series of 20, so I just wanna give you a little warning. All right, you guys, that's all I have for this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Please be sure to go on the website and subscribe there also. and I will catch you in the next video.